Ever heard the whispers of the crypto seas? Tales of legendary creatures guarding vast troves of digital treasures? Well, buckle your metaphorical pirate hats, because we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency exchanges, specifically a giant named Kraken. But before we set sail, a question surfaces: is Kraken a wallet, or is it something more? Many newcomers to the crypto world get tripped up by all the new terminology. Wallets, exchanges, coins, it can feel like learning a whole new language. So, let's break it down. Imagine you have a collection of rare seashells. You wouldn't just leave them scattered on the beach, would you? No, you'd probably store them in a safe, secure treasure chest, a wallet in this analogy. Your crypto wallet functions the same way. It's a secure digital location where you hold your cryptocurrency. Now, where do you acquire these digital seashells? That's where exchanges like Kraken come in. Think of Kraken as a bustling marketplace on a tropical island. Here, you can buy, sell, and trade all sorts of cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, the whole shebang. It's a fantastic platform for navigating the crypto seas, but here's the key difference: Kraken doesn't actually hold onto your crypto. It simply facilitates the transactions. So, while you might buy Bitcoin on Kraken, it wouldn't be stored on Kraken itself. That's where your own personal crypto wallet comes in. Now, this might have you wondering, if I need a separate wallet, why even use Kraken? Well, that's a great question. Kraken offers a treasure trove of benefits for crypto enthusiasts. First and foremost, security. Kraken takes safeguarding your digital assets very seriously. They employ a multi-layered security approach, including things like two-factor authentication and account verification. This helps keep your crypto safe from those pesky digital pirates. Secondly, variety. Kraken boasts a vast selection of cryptocurrencies, far more than most wallets can handle. It's like having access to an entire network of shops on that tropical island, each selling different types of seashells. This allows you to diversify your crypto portfolio and explore new investment opportunities. Thirdly, functionality. While your wallet is great for storing your crypto, Kraken offers a whole range of trading features. You can set up limit orders, track market movements, and even leverage your holdings, though remember, that carries additional risk. Basically, Kraken provides the tools you need to navigate the ever-changing crypto landscape. So, to answer our initial question, is Kraken a wallet? No, Kraken is not a wallet. It's a secure and feature-rich cryptocurrency exchange. But that doesn't mean they can't work together. Kraken helps you acquire your crypto treasures, while your personal wallet keeps them safe and sound. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your individual needs. Are you a casual crypto tourist, just dipping your toes in the water? A secure wallet might suffice for now. But if you're a seasoned crypto sailor, venturing out on deep-sea voyages, a platform like Kraken can be an invaluable companion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy sailing on the crypto seas.